So I'm sitting here with Gary, and he's here to tell us about how great his knee or his injection is going. So, what part of the body did we treat for you?
My right knee.
All right. And what was your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10 before the treatment?
It was probably close to an 8 or so.
Okay. And what is your pain level at now?
Yeah, it's probably a 3.
That's awesome.
3
Okay.
or 4.
So was your condition restricting you from doing any activities before?
It's starting to.
It was starting
Yeah, I
to.
couldn't do much walking.
How about now? Is it getting a little bit easier for you?
It's getting easier.
Great.
This last month is getting a lot easier.
Good, good. I love to hear that. Would you recommend this treatment to anyone else?
I would.
Yeah, great. Are there any activities that you're looking forward to doing now?
Getting around more and doing a little bit more walking and stuff.
Hanging out with friends and family a little
Yeah.
bit more? Good. So would you say that this change has been significantly more enjoyable?
Yes,
Yeah.
because I wasn't looking forward to no knee surgery.
Is there anything else that you would like to let future patients know?
Yes, I was skeptical at first, but I went to the seminar that they had and they answered a lot of questions, and I decided I'm going to give it a try.
And everything went well?
And everything is going really well.
Good, good. Well, thank you very much for sharing your testimony with us.
You're
We
welcome.
appreciate it. All right.